Now, this is definitely not a good news for air passengers, especially when you're planning to travel immediately or in coming days. For a simple reason that the average airfare has gone up by around 30%. If we compare the airfares from February 1st to 15th of March, we will see that the airfare, which was somewhere close to around rupees 4,000 to 4,500 on busy route, whether it be Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, the same airfare has gone up to beyond 6,500 per seat on the same route. And the reason behind it, there are two factors behind it. First, the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine, which has escalated the crude oil prices globally. And the second important factor that, but obviously, is that the turbine fuel prices have reached to record high. Currently, from March 1st, the turbine fuel prices, which is beyond rupees 95,000 per kiloliter. And the airline sources have informed that on 15th of March, when oil companies will once again revise the prices of turbine fuel, it is very likely that the turbine fuel prices will further escalate, and this simply means that in coming days the average airfares may further go up. Now, the only respite for the airline is that from March 27th, when the summer schedule is all set to kick in, and the government has allowed to resume the regular international passenger flight. So the airlines which are allowed to operate on international route, they can deploy more aircraft, they can fly more number of flights, more number of seats. So this is the only respite for the airlines, but for those who are traveling on the international routes. But here at domestic front, this is definitely not going to be a good news for the air passengers, because the airfares are likely to go beyond 30% rise.